I found the best AI voice cloning app that can generate voices of popular figures like Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Joe Biden, and even Mr. Beast. Interesting, right? Well, here's the twist. You can even create your own unique voice model. Yes, with this AI, you can replicate voices of famous people as I just mentioned. You might think this kind of AI voice would be expensive, but you'll be surprised to know it's actually free. And right now, as you're listening to me, you're actually hearing Mr. Beast's voice, created with this amazing AI. You can also create voices of others like these.
Together as Americans, there's nothing we can't achieve. I've seen it my whole life, from Scranton to Delaware.
I want you all to know that every time I step on stage, I feel this incredible connection with you.
I want you all to know that every time I step on stage, I feel this incredible connection with you.
Stick around, we'll show you how easy it is to start creating these AI voices. Step 1. Let's get started by creating your account on Fishaudio. First, head over to the Fishaudio website, link in the description below. Click on this sign up or register button. Fill in your basic information, your email address, a username, and a password. Once you've entered your details, check your inbox for a confirmation email and verify your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the user dashboard. Here you'll see a clean, simple interface that gives you access to all of Fishaudio's amazing features: text-to-speech, TTS, voice cloning, and even API integrations. Now, let's keep going and get to the exciting part. Step 3. Choose a plan, free or premium. Fishaudio offers both a free and premium plan, so let's talk about which one fits your needs. The free plan gives you up to 1,000 characters per month, which is perfect for light usage. If you need more characters or advanced features, you can upgrade to a premium plan. To choose your plan, go to the pricing section in the menu. Pick the plan that works best for you. Step 4. Text-to-speech TTS process. Let's dive into the core feature, converting text-to-speech. From your dashboard, go to the text-to-speech section. In the text box, type or paste the text you want to be converted into speech. Keep in mind that the free plan has a 1,000 character limit per month. Choose your preferred voice and language. Fishaudio supports languages like English, Chinese, Japanese, and more. You can also adjust settings like pitch, speed, and even emotion to customize the voice. If you want, you can also use character voices like Joe Biden, Donald Trump, Taylor Swift, or many others. Once you set everything to your liking, click Generate. The AI will process your text, and within moments, you'll have a lifelike voice ready to use. When you're done, hit Download to save the audio as an MP3 or WAV file. Step 5. Voice cloning. Want a more personalized touch? Let's look at how you can clone a voice. Navigate to the voice cloning section. Upload a clear audio sample, 30 to 60 seconds of someone speaking. It could be your own voice or anyone else you have permission to clone. The AI will analyze the sample, learning the unique speech patterns, tone, and nuances of that voice. Once it's trained, you can use the cloned voice to convert text into speech, just like you did with the TTS tool. Simply select the cloned voice when generating speech and hear it come to life with your own custom voice. Step 6. Test and optimize. Now that your account is set up and you've chosen your plan, it's time to test out the features. Run some test text through the system to make sure everything is working smoothly. Try experimenting with different text samples and play around with the voice settings to fine-tune your results. If you're on the free plan, keep an eye on your character limits to avoid running out. Step 7. Download and use your audio. Once you're satisfied with your audio, it's time to download it.